how I do it when I have no help. So I gotta pull the measurement from there all the way to the transfer case. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. So you make sure it's straight. Then you come here and then you just pull your measurement and make sure, just like that. Make sure you're straight. Make sure you're straight down there. And just pull back. And this is what you get. 85 inches from down there. And that's it. And that's simple. Now you take your driveline to the machine shop and you ask them, hey, I need this longer, which they're gonna extend the back, because the front, you don't really want to mess with it because you got this this slip joint here. So I'd rather just have them mess with it from the back. And that's what I'm gonna request. If they can just, all they gotta do is shorten this, add pipe, and weld to it. That's simple. Well, I think that's simple. But, and then get it rebalanced and put this thing on here like I mentioned so many times. But yeah, that's it. And then wait for the machine shop. And then, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be taking my argon bottle to go get changed, and I'm gonna be taking my driveline to the dry shop right now. I'm gonna load it to the truck, and we'll be on our way out there. So I've made it to this place, Truck Pro, but it used to be 6 States back in the day. If you know, you know. But let's go talk to them and see what they can do about the driveline. Well, we might be out of luck, guys, because they might not have the front piece to mount the driveline to it, and then also the end piece. So hopefully they can do that for me. If not, we're gonna have to send it back to S1 Build, and they're gonna have to modify them themselves, which that's gonna set me back a little longer than I intended to. Want the car to be running back. That's a bummer. Well, they found one piece for it that bolts on to this perfectly fine, but they cannot find for the CRV flange to fit bolt on these properly so it can get balanced. That's gonna be a bummer.
We gotta make sure we got the right bolt. See, we got the...
Sweet. They might have found the one that they need. So hopefully everything goes good.
Yeah.
I bet you can't do that, huh? Here we go. What is it? So this is a couple days. I think it's like a week and a half that I waited for the driveline. I just got here. We're gonna see if they called me like last week saying that the truck was done. That the driveline was done. But we'll see what they gotta say. Got waxed about $400, man. It's crazy. Well, there you guys have it. I got waxed about $368 damn dollars. God damn it. So we'll see. Let's see, it's right there. Oh yeah. You're good. Yeah. So finally got it back. They did do a whole back new section, but right now I asked for the back piece because it was S1 built back piece for it. So they're gonna look that up. So this is still from a CRV, and then the back over here is a wagon. This is very flimsy, but we'll see if they have that extra piece for the back. So I came during my lunch, so I was eating a little bit, but now back to work I go. So I'll show you guys more of the driveline once I get off work. I'll get into more detail of it, but yeah, back to the grind we go. As you guys can see, I did a 1320 wagon yoke, which the front stayed the same. This is off for a CRV. So we're gonna be throwing it up, mocking it up to see if it fits. And then we can start welding everything up together, throwing on the axles, and then the car should be back on its 4 feet. Also threw the T37s on. God damn, it looks good. Threw the lug nuts on as well. I still gotta put the stickers on, but that can wait till later. And then I still gotta do the brakes. Then I got other parts that I still gotta do also. I gotta change out the slave cylinder, the slave itself for a S2000 one. You guys will see that in another video, not in this one. This one's just mock up. What you think about the slips though? Look a little funny. But I'm gonna be jacking the car up, and we're gonna be bolting up the driveline. You guys will see that here soon. Well, there you have it, guys. So it's all bolted up right now. Put it on. Gotta snug up the bolts and nuts for the viscous coupler. And yeah, it fits perfect. So now all I gotta do is just Loctite everything. Loctite everything. Hit it with the impact. And then we should be all set to go. And then I still gotta fabricate something for the top as well. Because I was running a CRV diff and now I'm running a wagon diff. But I still gotta take it all apart because I gotta open it and service it and check it out. Re-silicone everything on it because it is an old 1988 wagon diff. So I'm just gonna open it up and inspect it real quick. After that, everything is just a mock-up for now. What to do before it's officially running as well. Well, it's officially almost 90% done. I got everything bolted up. All I gotta do now is just weld up the bracket and we should be pretty much done. Throw on some fluids and then we can go on the first test drive on all the wagon components on here. Hopefully this is the last time I gotta take this shit apart because it's pretty annoying taking it apart. But what do you guys think of the new wheels? This thing looks good. But if you guys made it this far to the video, thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.